What's up, guys? I'm Jason, this is Freebird Garage, and we are back with a Kemimoto Swingarm saddlebag review. We are going to unbox it, get it on the bike, and then go outside and see how it looks. Let's get it done. All right, so this is how the bag comes, all brown box, straight to your doorstep. Let's see what the insides hold. Make sure we don't cut too deep and hit that bag. Little padding there, and nothing there, and here we go. All right, look at that, nicely wrapped in its cellophane there. Let's rip her open. Sweet. All right, so this one has an all black feature, got the double stitch going around on the top here all the way to the back. Just one button there, one button there as well. Very subtle. And I like this stitching that they have on here. Gives it that breakaway from that standard smooth leather look. It is a PU leather is what they call it. Just open it up, check it out. It's got a Velcro attaching to the side here. Very stiff. That's one of their main features of this bag, is how stiff this thing is. It's not like a collapsible soft bag. It's very strong, both sides, putting a lot of force into it. I can't even get that thing to flex too much down in the middle. And we got two tabs here. Pull this apart. Nice little orange one so you can see where you're at right there. All right. Pull out the insides. We got our mountings here. We'll go over that in a second. Inside, nice little cubby area. Nothing too big. Right there down the middle. You got a little stash side here, bright orange. Really dig that with a lot of Kemimoto stuff. They go all black. And then you got an orange side bag to store stuff here. Looks good. All right. Small little hoop there to hold stuff down. All right. Check out the mounting hardware here. 3 straps you can use, or 3 zip ties. And it's gonna go against these holes right here to mount on the bike. All right, real simple. I compare this to something like a glove box. It's gonna store your main essential, maybe some paperwork you wanna have, cell phone, charger, jumper, real small stuff, enough to keep you on the road all deep inside there. So simple, easy to get back around. This is also to be able to allow you to grab it by one hand while you're on the bike. If you're standing still, reach back, open it up. This bag is also weatherproof and waterproof as told by Kemimoto. And by the insides, it looks like it seals pretty well for the most part. So, looks pretty good. Once again, here's all the way around. Outside there, down the middle, underneath, side there, and the back once again. All right, so let's get this on the bike and check it out. So normally you'd strap this to like a Sportster. We're gonna get this on the old FXR. You just need a fixed area to get this bag on, and that's where you want to be stationed. It may be called a swing arm bag, but you want to have it on a stationed area. If you strap this to swing arm, you get a chance you're gonna mangle up your back end, belt, guard, whatever it is. So we're gonna get this on. Gonna strap it right to the frame here. So just kind of tucked up like that and see how it looks. Let's head outside, see how it looks. Outside with the swing arm bag, and now this bag is meant for a Sportster, like I talked about in the beginning, or a Softail you can put it on. I have a nice fixed area on my FXR. It works out for my riding right now. If I had a passenger, of course, it blocks the rear passenger pegs. It's not really meant for this bike, but it just shows and highlights what this bag can also do. It's essentially like a glove compartment, in my opinion, on the side of your bike when you're going down the road. See, that's a big portion right there. Once again, I threw just a water bottle in there, show you guys, and then see if you guys side view what that looks like right there. All right, but it looks real nice. I like that blacked out look. If I didn't have a passenger in the back riding down the road, having this right here in case if I needed something, whether a water or something else I needed to go on the fly. Typically, I like to keep my hands right on the handlebars, but if need be, that's a pretty nifty spot to have a bag that you're going to be traveling a long time for and just need something fast on the fly that you don't want to be able to stop, go, and repeat. So, looks nice. I dig the all blacked out look. Once again, it matches with my bike. It can be different from what you like there. I like that lateral stitch or the stitching across that cross hatching there. Really dig that. Really breaks away from that standard all blacked out look. So what we're going to do right now is going to see if we can actually zip down this road and open this up with one hand and see how that goes. What we're going to do is we're going to loop it right here, doing it in a safe course, nothing on the freeway or highway so no one freaks out here. Just a nice long strip. Just to get a little down, you look down here, grab the tab. Oh yeah, water bottle in my hand. There it is, the Kemimoto Swingarm Bag. If this interests you guys, I will have a discount below in the comments. Kemimoto, thanks again. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.